Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have the basics: name, address, and incorporation papers. Start at the official registration portal or local registry. Don't guess. Once there, choose the registration type that matches your legal form. This ensures the system shows the core trade registration field. Enter business details exactly as on your incorporation documents to avoid mismatches. Make sure to upload a verified ID and a recent utility bill. These speed verification. If prompted, note the temporary reference code. It will help trace the application. Now locate the core trade registration number by searching the registry with the exact registered name or any provisional number you noted. Use filters for jurisdiction, registration year, and business type to narrow results quickly. Once the correct record appears, inspect fields labeled trade number, registration ID, or core number. They may vary in wording. Export the record as PDF or take a clear screenshot so you have a verifiable copy. If multiple entries appear, compare addresses and incorporation dates to pick the right one. Finish by confirming the core trade registration number against your official certificate, bank registrations, or tax filings. Consistency matters for contracts and compliance. If records conflict, request a certified extract or certified copy from the registry. This resolves discrepancies quickly. Once done, store the number in your legal files and update accountants or partners. If you cannot find the number, contact the registry help desk with your temporary reference code and documents. They can run a manual search or explain any holds.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.